By the grace of the Almighty Allah, the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jama'at Mali held its 13th edition of Jalsa Salana from Friday, the 25th March to Sunday, the 27th March 2022 at the Hadikatul Mahdi Ahmadiyya Conference Ground in Kulikoro. The theme of this Jalsa Salana was, "Surely hearts find satisfaction in the remembrance of Allah." The event began with flag hosting ceremony by respected Zafar Ahmad Bat Sahib, the Amir and missionary in charge of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Mali. The first session of the conference was presided by Amir Sahib. After the recitation of the Holy Quran and the rendering of an Arabic poem of the promised Messiah alayhi salam, the officer Jalsa Salana Muhammad Daw Sahib delivered the opening remark and welcomed all participants of the Jalsa. The first session of Jalsa Salana ended with a speech of Amir Sahib where he explained the theme of Jalsa in the light of the teaching of Islam.
Aujourd'hui, par la grâce d'Allah, nous inaugurons la 13e édition de la conférence annuelle de la Jama'at Islamique Ahmadiyya Mali, après des années d'arrêté de la crise sanitaire que nous connaissons tous. Puisse Allah le Tout-Puissant nous débarrasse de cette pandémie et les autres maux qui minent notre quotidien.
Dignitaries from all walks of life attended the second and third day of the Jalsa Salana Mali.
Po marakebao no e politique mogo ye nu uma ala ta faraka fro foiti soro frami banga bano frake.
Jama'at Islamique Ahmadiyya amba fo aw ye shu ani kile kaw ni segen aw ni munyu aw ni sabali aw ni jahadi.
They were all impressed by the organizational structure of the Jamaat and praised the community for its leading role in promoting peace, serving humanity, and education in the country and worldwide. A lecture on importance of Salat, its meaning, and our responsibilities was delivered by Umar Muaz Kulibali, Naib Amir of the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat Mali. Other scholars addressed the Jalsa covering a wide range of topics such as Wasiya, condition of Bayat, the mission of the Messiah, among others. Academic awards were given to members who excelled in various academic pursuits. 124 new souls joined the Ahmadiyya Muslim Jamaat during the 3 days of Jalsa Salana Mali. The 3 days event was broadcast on 15 radios of the Jamaat and was live on social media. More than 10 press and media groups were present during the 3 days, and a total of 5,496 participants attended the conference.